Legitimacy of a government is not in the policies. It is in the deliverables. That is where we are after. Na pia tunajua tukikumbuka President Mwai Kibaki ambaye alifanyia nchi yetu kazi mzuri sana. No one remembers alikuwa anasuburiwa. We all remember the roads he did, like Thika Road Superhighway. We all remember the economy was good. We all remember free primary education. We do not remember distractions. We have also decided that in the next 15-20 years, His Excellency William Ruto will not be remembered by the maandamano of distractors. He will be remembered by Wajohi Road. He will be remembered by the other roads. He will be remembered by the work we are doing in our economy. And therefore, we are not going to give a lot of time to distractions. We are not going to give a lot of time to petty politics. We are focusing on delivering to the people of Kenya who are our bosses.
Sasa leo nimeona hao watu ya NASA, wale watu ya kurusha mawe, wana propose members, wanaita ati joint secretary na wengine advisors. Wale wanasema ati watasaidiana na wabunge. I want to tell them the process that is available now is not the process of outside of the institutions created by our constitution. The only dialogue, the only personnel, the only commissioners or whatever name you accord them are members that have already been elected by the people of Kenya to represent them. We are not going to allow any other people by any title or name that wanakuja kwa hiyo maneno ya kuongea. And as we talk, let it be very clear. The only thing we could talk about are the issues that can be handled in Parliament. We are not going to take the Kenyan people into another useless route of another BBI or Seganinans like those. The only time available for the people of Kenya is the time to unlock the pending projects, is the time to resuscitate our economy. We have no time to do any referendum of any type. Our katiba is good. Ile inatakikana ni kuinua uchumi. Katiba haina shida, uchumi ndio iko na shida.